Actually, here I'll change the name. Hit OK again. First is loading now. So now I go to Microsoft Project. Now if I can remember where I put that file. Actually, pause. Okay, silly me, I finally figured out where I saved it, so go to File, Open, pick all files, and hopefully what I just made will open. Of course, it does recognize the file formats. So with these programs, make sure you just save it as PDF files and print them out later on. So Microsoft Project, I'll do the same thing. Good thing is the interface is a lot better. As you can see, copy and paste with just the mouse works perfectly. So for it is, for doing like little small projects, open source projects, open source programs actually do a really, really good job. But if you're trying to actually export to something that people can actually read on other machines, you pretty much are going to be stuck with Microsoft Project until they can figure out how they're going to handle the other file formats that you will work with Microsoft Project across the board. And that's one huge advantage that a lot of free software programs have right now, is the fact that it can't access Microsoft's proprietary format. And you'll see one huge advantage Microsoft Project has is the fact that it makes adding milestones a lot easier, as in it takes almost no brain power to do so. Kickoff meeting. They even make the time selection for these dates a lot easier. So, yeah, if you want something that actually takes less brain power than Jersey Shore, Microsoft Project is pretty much your key. Okay, this is very, very simple to use. And more likely this happens in a week after we do the initial meeting, because we're just trying to say, okay, how this thing is supposed to look. Can we get a prototype, you guys? Supposed to look and feel of it. So yeah. Sweet. Actually, we want to actually get the development tools a little bit beforehand, or probably as soon as we get started on this. So I'll go back to the actual dates on here. because more like we probably be doing development and hardware manufacturing. I'm sorry, hardware buying at the same time. So now we go to the testing phase. And a nice little feature that you can drag and drop stuff over. It makes extension of your time. And actually with this, probably. Okay, and it screws up, unfortunately, like most other Microsoft products. You can do the undo feature on there. That's when it's going to start a day later. Hit OK. Now, this will be a first deliverable, so it definitely is going to be a milestone because it's their beta copy that the stakeholders and the customers are going to look at. So yeah, we want to have this ready by October, the first Monday in October. Hopefully that's our primary date, no later than the 8th, of course. Hit OK, and now we add a milestone. Okay, I don't want this, so I hit backspace. Hopefully I get rid of that. Actually, I gotta right click and delete this and cut it. This milestone should move in the same time frame, so gonna be the 5th, because either way you look at it, take it or leave it, that's the date we're gonna pick. So I say the 8th. That is a mega release. And of course this is a deliverable, so I'll make sure I'm labeled as so. Hit OK. Voila. This is a milestone. Make sure I kind of give it that milestone look. Hit OK. Boom. And of course you can save this. Call this UDM underscore NESB 2010. So now I can exit this. Go back to my documents. So I can open this with. Let's see, with Gantt project open it. Now for the final test. Okay, Microsoft Project obviously does have better options as far as opening and closing the programs, but can other programs actually open it? So let's see what happens. Go to my documents. Oh, Gantt project will not open Microsoft Project files. Will Open Project open Microsoft Project files? Let's see. It has an interface that's nothing like Microsoft Project, so of course this is probably the one that will open them. Ironically, I was right. Oh, does not work. What a surprise. The only thing that works with Microsoft Project files is Microsoft Office, but everything else can print out the PDF by default. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know this is like a very, very long and boring presentation I just did, but yeah. kind of let you guys know that there are a few open source alternatives to Microsoft Project, but unfortunately, they're not quite there yet. So yeah, that's basically it for you guys. So good night. See you guys later.